NC Piedmont Outdoors presents Pathfinder Skillet Shrimp Stir Fry with Asian Noodles.
Hey everybody, this is Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors, back out at my hunting property. Sorry I didn't get to publish a video before Christmas. I had family obligations and just couldn't get out here to do what I wanted to do. But I made it out today. It's the end of December. It's beautiful. It's 63. There's no wind. It's an absolutely gorgeous day. So while I'm out here, I decided to put together a meal for you. So what I have for you today is some ready-to-wok noodles from Lidl. So I'm going to make some shrimp stir fry. So I've got my noodles here. I've got a can of Bumblebee medium shrimp that I'm going to use. I've got a bag of pepper, yellow pepper, red pepper, and some onion. I've got some soy sauce. And I'm going to use my Pathfinder canteen cook sets. I got water in the canteen. I've got my Stanley 2-bowl cook set I'm going to use. And I'm going to use my skillet, my Pathfinder skillet, to fry up the shrimp with the peppers and onions. Got some Crisco oil there, as you see, and some soy sauce I'm going to add. And I'm going to use my, as always, my Coleman stove today to kind of cook this up for you. So let me go ahead and get the stove lit, and we'll get the water in the bowl, and we'll start heating that up. And then once that water starts boiling, we'll go through the process. So let me get started, and I'll bring you right back. All right, everybody, so I've got some water added to my Stanley 2-bowl cook set. So I've got the handle locked, I've got the lid on it, waiting for that water to boil. If you've never seen or used the Stanley 2-bowl cook set, it really is a great camping set. It comes with these two nesting bowls that fit together nicely. It has this spatula and ladle that it comes with, and you can take out these additional pieces like this, and this actually just fits all together. If I could just pop this out for you and kind of show you what I want to show you. There. So technically, right, so you could take this spatula and then you just connect these pieces to it, and now you have a spatula, or you can add this to this side if you want, and do both, whatever you want, and then it all just takes apart and it all kind of nests together. So this is a really good, great camp tool that I've used in some other videos, but certainly when I'm camping, this is a really good set. And then, of course, it also comes with these two, I don't know if you want to call them plates, or they come with two cutting boards, I guess, but more cutting boards, I guess, than plates. But yeah, it's a great set. It nests all together, and it's perfect for two people, definitely for camping. I've used it in my Thanksgiving video when I made the one-pot Thanksgiving dinner. You saw me use this, and it's a really great tool. So. All right, I'm going to let the water boil here in this, and then we're going to go ahead and add the noodles and make sure my stove stays lit. It's not windy, so I'm hoping it's not going to give me too many problems today. But all right, once the water's boiling, we'll go ahead and add the noodles, and then once the noodles are kind of heated through, we'll kind of put that off to the side, and then we'll get the skillet going with the shrimp and the peppers and onions. So let me bring you back when I'm going to add the noodles.
All right, everybody, just a quick word from our sponsors. First of all, Slammer Series Turkey Calls. They're made by a hunter for a hunter. And if you're interested in getting a new turkey call, visit www.slammerseries.com. Also, Aqua Leisure Services, LLC, serving the Rehoboth Beach, Delaware, and surrounding areas. If you're looking for pool or spa needs, please give them a call. And Sign Scientists, providing a broad range of services, including wall murals, vehicle wraps, design, print, and marketing services. Regardless of your business requirements, their experts are up to the task. Visit www.signscientists.com or call 919-685-7641. If you're interested in NC Piedmont Outdoors or Slammer Series apparel, please visit our store on Teespring. The link is available in the description box.
All right, everybody, so the water's boiling here. I'll take the lid off. You can see that it is definitely, let me see, well, you can't see, but I'll show you, like, yeah, the water's boiling. So I'll put that right back on there. All right, so I'm going to take my noodles, open these up, two packets. Two individual packets are inside this, so since it's just me today, and I'm just going to use one packet. So let's just use one, easy to tear and open. Perfect. Noodles. Alright, so now I can save this other packet for some other recipe another time. So that's absolutely perfect. I'm going to use my Gerber Complete tool, and I'm going to take it apart, and I'm going to use my fork, and I'm going to just break up the noodles. Gently stirring, getting them Again, as I said, they're already cooked. So right now, I just need to kind of warm them up and separate them. That looks pretty good right there. So I'll kind of show that to you. So yeah, see, they're all broken up and not in that just big lump anymore. So let me go ahead and set that back on the heat. I'm going to go ahead and put the lid on and just let that go for a few minutes once it starts to boil. So, and just a quick, again, this Gerber Complete that I've used before. So this is a pretty cool tool. It has a spatula. As you can see there, I kind of broke off a piece accidentally when I was cooking on my cast iron one time, so it's missing that little bit of an edge there. So there should be a point there. But yeah, this is, again, another great nesting tool. So it comes with this spatula, it comes with the spoon, it comes with the fork, and it comes with the bottle opener and a little tiny can opener. So this is absolutely perfect, and it nests all together. I've used it in a bunch of my videos. You've seen it. So. But yeah, it's great. It's a great little tool to have. So if you haven't got one, I suggest you go get one. They're pretty neat. So, all right, let me go this for let this kind of cook for another minute or two, and then once that's done, we'll put it aside and we'll bust out the Pathfinder Skillet. So stay tuned. All right, so I take the lid off these. The water is boiling. You can see it. Noodles, yeah, perfect. So I'm gonna call these done. So I'm gonna use the lid. I'm going to strain out the water. So yeah, this, of course, the 2-bowl cook set has these straining holes on top right here along this edge. So I'm just going to dump this water off to the side, and I don't think you need to see it, but that's what I'm going to do. Alright, so I've dumped the water out, the noodles are in there. I'm just going to put this off to the side on the stove. I'm going to put the lid on just to keep those warm. And then I'm going to break out my Stanley, my Pathfinder Skillet. So the kit comes with the lid, and then it comes with, obviously, the skillet piece, right? So I'll just show that to you here. Handle underneath, it just locks in, boom, locks, done. You see I've used it. It's got some patina on it because I've used it a lot in some of my videos. So I love this little skillet. Now, what I've added to this skillet is kind of made it a kit. So I bought the plate from Pathfinder. I have the Pathfinder titanium spork, and then it has the hook for pulling off lids if it has like a little loop, so you can do that. So the Pathfinder spork, titanium spork, I have that. And then I have the grill grate that also. Now, this all nests right together in the frying pan. I can just get it fixed. There you go. See, it kind of pushes in, it nests together, and then you put the lid on it, and it makes like the perfect little kit. And I think I've heard Dave Canterbury talk in some of his videos that he is going to kind of put this together and build this and sell this as a kit. So I wonder if in 2023 he's going to do that. So which is pretty cool. So I'm just going to go ahead and just put this stuff over on the side for now because I don't need that. And I'm going to get this skillet going. So I'm going to put the skillet on the heat. I'm going to turn it down. I don't need it that high right away. So I'm going to put that down. I'm going to add some oil. And let that oil heat up. All right. Did it go out? Yep, sure enough. Stove went out. You know, I'm having a little bit of problem with my Coleman stove lately with it seemed to like blow out even when there's no wind. So I wonder if stuff just needs to be cleaned out in there. But all right, I've got it back lit. Let me put that frying pan on there with the oil, and we're gonna heat that up. Okay. So once the oil is heated, I'm gonna add again the peppers and onions, as I have my little bag here. I had some in the freezer, and we're gonna open this shrimp. So while that's heating up, I'm gonna go ahead and open up this can, and then we'll show it to you when I'm putting it all together. All right, so I've got the oil heated up. I did a few test pieces of onion and pepper, so I'm gonna drop the rest in. There we go. I'm gonna add in this shrimp. So this is what the medium shrimp in that can look like. I've never cooked with this before, but we're gonna do it. So let's see what happens. Scoop those shrimp out. Okay. We'll make sure all that gets in the trash and the garbage later. I'm gonna use my Gerber Complete thing here. And kind of stir this around, and we'll see if we can get this cooked up. So I'm going to go ahead and let that heat back up, turn the heat up, let it cook in the oil. Then as soon as this gets going, I'm going to go ahead and add the noodles and the soy sauce. So I'll bring you right back as soon as it's ready for that. All right, everybody, so I've got the shrimp, peppers, and onions cooking through here, starting to get real warm, starting to get the sizzle on there, which looks really good. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and add in our noodles. So I'm just going to go ahead and take the lid off and add these noodles. A little bit of moisture in there from the noodles. That's okay. We'll start mixing these up. Mix this all together. There we go. There we go. That's kind of what it looks like right now, so you can see. All right. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some packets of soy sauce. There we go. One, maybe two. I don't know. What do you think? Two? I'll do two. That should be enough. And if I need more, I can always add extra. Okay, and we'll make sure all this garbage obviously gets out of here. Pack it in, pack it out. We're not going to dirty the hunting property with garbage, that's for sure. So let's go ahead and stir these. All right. I mean, it smells delicious. I mean, I don't think I've ever had shrimp stir fry, and I've certainly never used these cans of shrimp, and they seem to fall apart. The shrimp themselves really don't stay in their shape. They kind of fall apart. I'm guessing that's just because of what happens when shrimp are in the can like that. So nothing really I can do about that. But it looks really good, and I'm guessing it's going to taste really good too. But we'll find out in a minute. So let me go ahead and stir this up and let this cook for a few more minutes, and then we'll reveal the final product. So stay with me, guys. All right, everybody, so I think this is done. Give it a quick little stir. And, still getting a little back there. Give it a quick little stir, and whoop. There we go. All right, well, I'm going to turn off this stove and kind of show you the final product here. And this is what it looks like. It is absolutely, it looks delicious, and it smells delicious. This is a great hearty meal. And again, what I like about this is everything in here is pre-cooked, right? So the canned shrimp, the noodles were already pre-cooked, and there was 2 packs in that package, so you could take one with you on the trail. The shrimp, obviously in a can, you can take with you on the trail, and some pepper and onion, you can take that with you. Nothing needs to be refrigerated. So this is a great meal to take with you if you're camping. A great meal to take with you if you want to hike and cook something out. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and give this the taste test. I'm going to use my fork for my Gerber Complete Set. And I'll just do it off camera here, not too. Wow, that is absolutely delicious. I added another extra packet of soy sauce. Tastes absolutely incredible. The shrimp, the pepper and onions. This is a great meal, a great lunch, and I'm just going to sit back here on my hunting property, sit on my tailgate, and enjoy it. So, all right, everybody, again, thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button in the corner there, the logo of NC Piedmont Outdoors. If you hit that, you'll subscribe. Right now, we've got 82 subscribers, so I guess we've been doing this a little over a year, maybe almost 2 years now, and having 82 subscribers, for not doing anything extra, just kind of posting and doing this, and this is not my full-time job. It's really great that I have 82 subscribers. So when we hit that 100, I'm definitely going to give something away. If you've publicly subscribed to my channel, I will get something and give it away once we hit 100 subscribers. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you had a good Thanksgiving. I hope you had a great Christmas. I wish everybody a happy New Year coming up. So hopefully look forward to making more videos next year. I've got some camping videos for my trip at Chihuahua campground that I'm going to post here in the next couple weeks that we did over in October that I haven't gotten to yet. And then, of course, always some cooking videos I'm going to post. So appreciate everybody for watching. Thanks, everybody. Have a happy New Year, and we'll catch you all next year in 2023. Thanks.
Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.